Yo, what's up guys? We're back. We got another track video today. This one's gonna be a little bit different. I didn't record an intro or outro or nothing along those lines. We went to After Dark, had a private day the next day, and I literally didn't record at all. Not at the Airbnb, nothing. I just enjoyed the weekend, but I did get a bunch of raw clips, a bunch of drone footage, and I want to share that with you guys. And I haven't edited the video yet, but I'm thinking of doing a little commentating over it so you guys can understand kind of what's going through my head and what I'm trying to do with every run. And you can really see the progression through every run from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. But yeah, let's get to it. This is basically the only clip we got, or that I have, for After Dark. All the other clips are kind of blurry, a lot of smoke, real dark. But you can see that I'm not really getting the car like out to the zones or out using all the track. Not making smoke. It's very lame. First run of the day for the private day. You can see me trying to use more of the course. I was going too slow on that entry, but you can see me at lower angle, really trying to swing the car out there and get out to basically the edge of the track. But again, very low angle, very slow, no smoke, no show. Here you can see me, once I get this last sweeper going into the last corner, I kind of straight line approach it, and then I basically had to straighten out and just drive off. So this is a separate run, but basically the same thing. You can see very slow to entry, and then not really making a lot of smoke, using a little more of the course. But you can see here I kind of have to straighten out a little bit, swing the car out, and then towards the back half you can see me trying to get more on it. And then same thing after this last sweeper, I kind of straight approach the last corner, and you can see that I have to like give it a lot of angle and then just get right on the gas. Okay, so this runs a lot better. You can see me have a lot more speed going into the entry, on the gas right away. You can tell the car's making a little bit more gain, using a little bit more of the course, especially on this part. You can see me really get out to the edge of the track. And then once we get past this Manji, you'll be able to see I really improved on that last sweeper slash hairpin. You can see here I hold on to the angle a lot more, go out wide, real wide, and then swing it back around, which puts me on a much better line for the last corner. I also got you some in-car footage. You already know. Working on the hand position, making sure I don't let go of the wheel too much, making sure I'm flicking the car, trying not to handbrake. I basically just used the handbrake on initiation. I was trying to go fast, flick it in hard, and just get on the gas. But you can see real smooth with the handwork, just trying to not be crossing my hands, but still working on that. You can really see in this run, hard flick, slight delay on the gas just because I went into the wide line, so I was kind of on the rubber just sliding. But same thing, you can see me go out to the edge of the track and really use all of the course. I was holding on to the angle a little longer on every transition basically. Same thing here, I went really wide on the sweeper and went wide on that last hairpin, and you can see it's really smooth, really high angle run. Much better. this is basically one of my best runs that I got recorded. Big flick into the entry, lots of gas, using all of the cores. You can see Jose trying to sneak up on me using all of the track. And I was really trying to slow it down for him. I was trying to get him to get close to me. I really wanted that close tandem, some picks, you know. But same thing on the sweeper, go out wide. I was telling him the same thing. Big flick into the last zone and all the gas. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that little voiceover action. All I want to say about the weekend is that Jose did great. The progression was amazing. I think I did pretty good. I think my progression was amazing. And yeah, I do also want to say I am no longer part of Team Reckless as a team, but that sticker will be coming off the car. We're gonna start brand new on that. But yeah, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and remember guys, stay in your lane.